Ladies and gentlemen, I feel very honoured as Managing Director of Cavendish Group to welcome you to the first ever Future Energy Systems Conference. It's wonderful to bring together an extremely engaging and committed community for electricity networks in what will be a new sector under the portfolio of the Future Brand Conferences, which traditionally address the emergence of technology, innovation, and decarbonisation in the energy sectors. We're very proud to have such a strong lineup of utilities, energy companies, and technology innovators contributing to the programme during today. May I first extend my gratitude to all of our key partners and sponsors who have made this event possible and have continued to offer us tremendous value and support. Special thanks to PNDC, our headline partner, Kongsberg, our digital twin partner, our silver sponsors, Spartan Solutions, Predictor, and Morningstar Corporation, our innovation partner Zulka Group, and branding partner Aviva. We recognise the next few years will be challenging for the energy industry as the electricity networks are going through significant digitalisation and change. Grid modernisation represents a seismic challenge which requires innovative methods to be deployed for each step of the value chain. Creating operational methods connecting data to decentralise energy are becoming more significant, with global energy demand expected to increase by a massive 16% between 2020 and 2030. This brings the question on how utilities and providers will remain efficient whilst decarbonising in accordance with government regulations. How is electrification making a difference in the short and long term? And what do we need to make energy sustainable whilst maintaining critical infrastructure and reliability? Overcoming the intermittency of renewable energy will remain one of the greater challenges, and achieving net zero will require a diverse set of components and solutions if we are to prioritise climate change and sustainability. Energy innovation at scale will be demanding. Is there a magic formula to simultaneously decarbonise, decentralise and digitise whilst meeting the escalating demand for power? In addition, consumers are becoming equally as important. So what is the role of technology to decarbonise a customer, and what business models are required to achieve the level of interaction required? Bringing digitalisation from the boardroom to the plants, however, remains one of the biggest hurdles as we look to analyse the critical actions companies must make to build a sustainable digital culture, both at the leadership and the operational level. My research over the last few months has also highlighted the need for change management for utilities, both externally and internally. How do we transition the current workforce and redefine leadership models? AI and predictive maintenance are being used more and more to track consumer patterns and behaviour. But how will these innovations affect the balance between investment in people and investment in technology going forward? I really hope you enjoy discussing these themes and much more during today. On a final note, we at Cavendish Group, we're trying to think through how to best use of a hybrid event by taking the best of digital innovation and layering this with a physical event. If you have any suggestions for how to improve the ROI of a conference like Future Energy Systems, or how best to think about future hybrid event, then please tell us. We will react to your feedback. Like you all, we are all focused on innovation, adaptation and change. It now gives me great pleasure to hand over to our host and partner and formally introduce Professor Sir Jim MacDonald, Principal and Vice Chancellor of University of Strathclyde, for the opening keynote. Many thanks.